Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw an eye. We begin by marking a tilted guideline and then we will make 3 short lines for the upper part. 1, 2 and 3. And 2 lines for the bottom one. We add the lacrimal for the tears and then round any corners and lines. Good, let's sketch the iris. The upper part of the circle will be partially covered. We round the lower line and draw the thickness of the lead. I make baggy eyes and wrinkles because this will be the eye of an older person. And now that we have the basic sketching pencil, I will go over the lines with a fountain pen. I'm using a Justus 95, which is my favorite pen for drawing. The complete list of materials is in the description below the video. We go over the lines and then we start shading. The shading I will do it with hatching and cross hatching. That is with parallel lines and then crossing them for further darkness. Remember that the white part of the eye is not really white, especially due to its roundness and shading. The upper part of the eye catches the shadow from the eyelid, and so it's darker. We also draw and shade the foldings of the skin. The eyes vary a lot, but some have the outer edge of the iris darker, with a shape like this. I leave blank the space for small reflections and then darken the iris hatching and cross hatching, especially the upper part again. Remember that this ink cannot be erased, so it is better to go on little by little rather than risking going too dark. I love drawing with fountain pen so much. I could do this all day. It is such a pleasure. Let's increase the darkness of the foldings and this lower part and then give a light tone to the skin, like so. And we should also darken this upper part because it is inset slightly and therefore in shade. By the way, soon I will hold a drawing contest in which you will be able to win a nice fountain pen. So stay posted to this channel. I will give you the guidelines to participate in a few weeks. Let's add some more wrinkles over here and over here. I think it is important to leave a white reflection on the eye. It gives it a lot of life, don't you think? And finally, let's add some capillaries to give it more reality. And we give it the last touches, the last details, and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.